1 year ago, YJC Power began its journey in Vietnam. Not only to bring products here, but to build trust, create value, and grow together with local customers. Step by step, we established our local team, our local warehouse, and our local service network across Vietnam. For businesses, power outages are more than an inconvenience. They mean interrupted production, delayed deliveries, and lost opportunities. Reliable energy keeps business moving forward. More families in Vietnam are embracing clean energy. What once seemed distant is now becoming part of everyday life. Clean energy is no longer a dream, it is a reality. For business owners, every energy bill matters. Energy storage helps reduce costs, improve efficiency, and create greater financial stability. Even beyond the grid, reliable power should always be available. From sunrise to sunset, from day to night, energy should never stop. Service is not just a promise, it is action. Across cities, across provinces, across thousands of kilometers, our team is always ready to support our customers. Strong partnerships create strong futures. Over the past year, we have grown together with our partners, shared opportunities, and built lasting relationships. 1 year is only the beginning. More products, faster service, stronger local support, and a deeper commitment to Vietnam. Meet us at the exhibition and discover the next generation of YJC Power Energy Solutions for Vietnam. YJC Power Vietnam, powering today, building tomorrow.